Hello friends, welcome to your own crypto channel Currency and Crypto. So today we will discuss another finest blockchain technology which will change the total supply chain ecosystem, okay, and revolutionizing that supply chain ecosystem with its own blockchain and through the combination with IoT. So let's get into the details. So during this 8 seconds, you definitely guess the coin name, correct? Yes, VeChain. Yes, VeChain is one of the leading blockchain application platform that is mainly leading by enterprise adoptions. So enterprise adoption means all the big companies who are running their business on supply chain, they are adopting VeChain and they are doing their business on top of VeChain platform. Okay, so what are the sectors where VeChain is currently working? So it's mainly working on food safety, luxury goods, liquor and agriculture. These are the four sectors mainly where VeChain application is currently running. Okay, so what is the underlying, how they are doing that VeChain platform? So VeChain is doing their blockchain with mixing actually the blockchain and the chips, smart chips. They are combining this together, okay, and what they are doing, they are combining these two together, and this smart chip can be integrated with various IoT devices, means Internet of Things devices such as QR codes, RFID and NFC chips. So VeChain mainly work on supply chain management. Okay, so as I mentioned earlier, it want to change the revolutionize the total ecosystem of supply chain. Okay, so now come to the another point. What is the main vision of the VeChain? Okay, the VeChain's main vision is to build a trust-free environment, a trust-free distributed business ecosystem on top of blockchain technology. Now you might be thinking, what is trust-free? Okay, suppose a boyfriend telling his girlfriend, I trust you. That means there is something distrust is there, right? Some distrust definitely is there. So VeChain want to create such a ecosystem where trust is already inbuilt within it. Okay, so that no one can question that is it working properly. This kind of questions no one can do. Okay, so now what are the main features? What are the main features of VeChain? Let's understand that. So the main features is that it is highly scalable compared to Ethereum. So the main features of VeChain, it is highly scalable compared to Ethereum. Okay, so high speed of it has a high speed of transaction and definitely a trust-free ecosystem. So now let's understand how VeChain works. All the manufacturers who are working on top of VeChain, actually they tagged their all the products. They tagged all the products with a unique identities, okay, and they generate that unique identities with VID, VeChain identity technology. Okay, now how this technology is built? This technology, actually this VID technology is built using a SHA-256 algorithm, hash algorithm. That is a unique number. That should be a unique number and it will be tagged with each and every product. Okay, now what VeChain, how VeChain will work? So now VeChain will store that unique identity number with VeChain with RFID tag, QR code, NFC chips. With that they will actually integrate them with that tracker and they will insert that record into the VeChain blockchain system. Okay, so whenever who are sending their products, means retailers or consumers who are sending, who will receive it or who has sent the product, they can, in current system they can track their products, that where that product's particular item is. Okay, now let's go to the consensus mechanism, which is another important factor to judge a coin, right? So we all know that Ethereum is working on proof of work mechanism, consensus algorithm, right? Solana, Avalanche and all those big blockchain, all those big coins, they are actually working on proof of stake, but VeChain here actually working on proof of authority. So what are the advantage of it, proof of authority? So it requires very less computational power, okay, no requirements for and it has no requirements for communication between nodes to reach consensus. This mechanism provides high performance and fault tolerance. It does not require also a high performance hardware. So that are the main reason why they have choose proof of authority. Okay, so this is all about the conceptions of consensus mechanism. Now let's understand two part. So after 2017, VeChain has changed itself into two tokens. Okay, so one token is VET and another token is Thor Power. So what VET token does, VET token actually used for the companies which are building their products on top of VeChain, actually to paid in that system. Okay, now come to the Thor. So Thor, THOR, that is a Thor, that is actually used to invest in that ecosystem. Okay, which we are doing. We are not building our application on top of that, on top of VeChain, but what we are doing, we are investing in that project. So we can invest it by Thor Power. So to judge a coin that is good or not, another important parameter or another important factor is what are the partnerships they have done, because all the big ventures who will partner with a new coin, then definitely that coin has that potential. Okay, we need to understand that. So let's discuss about that who are the major partner for VeChain. Okay, so number one in this list is PwC. So VeChain has become part of the PwC's incubation program. Can you imagine that? So it is a small coin, it is just started few years back, and they are now PwC's main incubations program partners, actually, which will gives it access to worldwide network of clients for the company. Okay, so now number two, DNVGL, the top risk management and quality assurance firm, has bought a stake in VeChain to develop its MyStory digital assurance. So this is another big organization. So you can identify that how this project is going to be. So number three is Kuehne+Nagel, global transport and logistics company, will use VeChain to smartly parcels, especially luxury goods. I have mentioned earlier, right, that it is mainly used in luxury goods. So number four is China Unicom. So state-owned, actually this VeChain is based on China. So state-owned telecom operator of China Unicom. So VeChain blockchain helps to improve the supply chain of them. Okay, so so Chinese government national level partnerships are also there, and other major partner of them are IBM, Ford and 3M, etc. So these are the partnerships which VeChain has made. So you can imagine that if a new cryptocurrency have this much of potential that they can partner such a big venture, so definitely they have some inbuilt capacity they have, right? So that was the main concern. Now what are the major news, recent news and recent updates on that? Okay, so recent news is that VeChain has officially announced as Schneider Electric's digital ecosystems partner. So now they are Schneider's partner also, Schneider Electric's digital ecosystems partner also. Okay, now VeChain's Thor mainnet can suppresses the 10 million blocks without downtime. So that is another big achievement for them. Actually, any blockchain technology is mainly considered that is good or bad, depending on the how much they can scalable and how the platforms are stable. Okay, when the continuous transactions will happen on their platform, how much that is stable. So in that case, it has 10 million blocks. It has generated 10 million blocks without a single downtime. So their blockchain has never down. So we all know that Solana, some few days back, Solana's node was down, but now VeChain's Thor, it has already generated 10 million blocks, but there is no downtime. And another important news, that is it has upgraded to proof of authority version 2. Okay, so that is to increase its stability. So that is another big factor which can come when technology is delivered, right? So these are all the technical details, all the parts which VeChain has. Now let's go to my computer screen, where I will show you the current statistics of VeChain and how much this project can give you return in coming days. Okay, so let's discuss that. So here we have come to my computer screen, where you can see in CoinMarketCap, its current value is 0.08 0.415. Okay, it has all time high was 0.3. Okay, so now it is all the coins, as all the coins are down, so it is also down now. Okay, so it is the best time actually, though I am not a financial advisor, but this is the best time to invest a coin, a project like this. So here we can see that its total supply is 86 billion. Okay, so maximum supply is 86 billion and its circulation supply is there. Okay, 64, already 64.32 VET is on circulation. Okay, so it has the partnership. We have seen the partnership, how many big partnerships they have. Okay, so considering that, we can definitely say that this project has huge potential and this project can reach up to $1. So in that case, you will definitely get a hefty amount of return, correct? I personally seen this project as a huge opportunity for all the investors who are doing investments in crypto. So that is all for the timing. That's all. So hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you understood how VeChain is working currently. Okay, and how much it can give you return. So if you find this video informative, then definitely give a like, and if you want to get this kind of information in future also, then please subscribe this channel. Thanks a lot. Thank you everyone.